My brother and sister, before a huge blessing enters a woman's life, Allah places signs around her, quiet, gentle but unmistakable. Her heart changes, her path clears, ease replaces struggle, and suddenly her dua start becoming her reality. If you've been waiting, praying and holding on with patience, listen closely. The blessing you've been asking Allah for may be closer than you think. One of the earliest and most beautiful signs that Allah is preparing a major blessing for a woman is the sudden steadiness that enters her heart. This inner calm does not come from the world around her. It comes directly from Allah. Even if her circumstances haven't improved yet, her heart begins to feel lighter, more stable and more hopeful. She notices that the worries that used to keep her awake at night are slowly fading, replaced by a quiet confidence that something good is on the way. This serenity is a divine gift. It is Allah reassuring her spiritually before He blesses her physically. Her heart shifts from fear to trust, from overthinking to tawakkul, from anxiety to a sense of surrender. She starts feeling that Allah is guiding her steps, protecting her journey and preparing her soul for something greater than what she has lost. This inner peace is also a sign of maturity and spiritual elevation. The woman begins to understand that blessings don't always arrive when she demands them. They arrive when she is ready to receive them, and readiness begins inside the heart. When Allah is about to bless her, He strengthens her emotionally. He removes the heaviness, clears her mind, and gives her a stability that cannot be shaken. This peace is not the end. It is the beginning. It is the first signal that Allah's mercy is approaching and that a beautiful chapter is about to unfold in her life. When Allah loves a woman and prepares her for a major blessing, one of the clearest signs is that He begins to remove the people, habits, and situations that were never truly meant for her. At first, this distancing may feel painful or confusing. A relationship suddenly weakens, a friendship falls apart, an opportunity slips away, or a certain path she wanted no longer feels right. But with time, she realizes it was Allah's protection, not rejection. Allah removes what is unstable, what drains her spiritually, or what would harm her future. He creates discomfort in places where she doesn't belong, and peace in the direction He wants her to walk. This separation is not a loss. It is a gentle push toward what is better, purer, and aligned with her destiny. Sometimes she feels alone during this phase, but that solitude becomes a purification. It strengthens her tawakkul, trust in Allah, and teaches her that what is written for her will never require begging, forcing, or chasing. She begins to see signs. Closed doors that once upset her start making sense, and the people who leave her life take their negativity with them. Soon she realizes that every removal was preparation. Allah never takes something away unless He is preparing to replace it with something far greater, more meaningful, and more suited to the woman He is shaping her into. When Allah is preparing to bless a woman with something extraordinary, one of the most beautiful signs is the sudden appearance of ease in areas of life that were once filled with stress, confusion, or heaviness. Tasks that used to drain her now feel lighter. Problems that once overwhelmed her begin to resolve effortlessly. The same routines that once felt exhausting become manageable, even peaceful. This ease is not accidental. It is a mercy from Allah. It is His way of telling her, I am with you. Allah places barakah in her time, calmness in her mind, and strength in her heart. She starts noticing smoother outcomes. Delays turn into progress, misunderstandings turn into clarity, and situations that once seemed blocked begin to open without struggle. Even small blessings become noticeable. She may find help coming from unexpected places, or she suddenly has the energy to handle responsibilities that previously felt impossible. Her patience grows, her perspective softens, and her heart feels lighter for reasons she cannot fully explain. This unexpected ease is a divine preparation. Allah is clearing the path, removing unnecessary burdens. and giving her space to receive the blessing that is approaching. He makes her journey gentle, so her heart becomes grateful and ready. And when Allah grants ease like this, it is a sign that what is coming is close, meaningful, and filled with His divine favor. When Allah is about to bless a woman with something big, one of the clearest signs is that opportunities begin to find her without her forcing, chasing, or exhausting herself. What she once struggled for now starts coming toward her with ease. Doors she never knocked on begin to open. People who never noticed her suddenly recognize her value. Paths she never imagined become accessible. This shift is not luck. It is a mercy from Allah. It is His way of showing her that her effort, patience, and trust were not wasted. After seasons of hardship and waiting, Allah turns her striving into receiving. Her name is mentioned in rooms she has never entered. Help comes before she even asks for it. Solutions appear before problems grow. Blessings that once seemed distant now feel close and reachable. She begins to feel supported by a force greater than herself. Because she is, Allah aligns circumstances in her favor, places the right people in her path, and creates openings that require minimal effort from her, yet bring maximum benefit. This is not a coincidence. It is divine timing. When a woman stops chasing what is not written for her, Allah brings her what is written for her with ease, dignity, and perfect timing. These effortless opportunities are signs that her blessing is not only near, it is already unfolding. One of the most powerful signs that Allah is about to bless a woman with something big is when her du'as begin to align with the reality unfolding around her. What she once begged Allah for in tears slowly becomes part of her daily life. The things she used to only imagine in her silent prayers begin appearing in ways she can see, feel, and recognize. At first, the changes are subtle, small blessings, unexpected ease, emotional relief, or solutions that arrive without struggle. But soon she notices that the very things she prayed for months or even years ago are now forming right in front of her. It feels as if her life is catching up to her du'as, one blessing at a time. This alignment is not random. It is Allah showing her that her patience, trust, and consistency in dua were never ignored. Allah delays, but He never denies. He chooses the perfect moment to transform her heartfelt requests into lived blessings. And when that moment arrives, everything starts to make sense. Her heart feels a growing confidence. Gratitude replaces fear. Hope replaces exhaustion. She realizes that Allah was preparing her for what she was asking for, and now He is preparing what she asked for to reach her. When a woman's du'as start matching her reality, it is a beautiful sign. The blessing she has been waiting for is finally here, unfolding with Allah's mercy and perfect timing.